Overdue credit card debt is the highest it's been in more than a decade. Here's what to do if you're at risk. Seriously, overdue credit card debt is at the highest level in more than a decade, and people 35 and under are struggling more than other age groups to pay their bills. The share of credit card debt that's severely delinquent, defined as being more than 90 days overdue, rose to 10.7% during the first quarter of 2024, according to the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. If you're experiencing delinquency or at risk of it, experts advise speaking with a nonprofit credit counselor and negotiating with your creditors directly. Both Lynch and McClary urge borrowers to reach out directly to credit card companies to negotiate interest rates, fees, and long-term payment plans, noting that it's in the company's best interest if you pay before the debt goes into collections. McClary and other experts stress that most credit card companies and other lenders have hardship programs available for cases like these. How worrisome is the increase in delinquencies? A worsening of the economy could push those consumers into severe delinquency, he said.